Hello traders, this is McBillion. Today is May 3rd, 2017, and let's talk about the market. So let's start with the S&P. You can see here that after the breakout, we're just moving sideways. So it's like very boring just to look this price action because you play here the breakout and then start moving sideways, which is painful when you have options, when you have calls. I think the market is bullish and strong, and that's based on DMI. We have ADX at 1890 and it's trending up. I think as soon as we break out this little range, we're gonna have a nice left up just like this to the next Fibonacci extension 2412, 2430, and my target 2460s. So that's for the S&P. If I show you that in the spider, which is the same, but this is an ATF for the S&P, do you see the breakout here and just moving sideways? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 days moving sideways. The target here is 240. After that, 245. DMI is bullish and strong. And I can show you that also in the Dow Jones with DIA, which is the Dow Jones ATF, breakout moving sideways, bullish on DMI. And I can keep going and show you all the charts. Breakout moving sideways. That's Amazon, also bullish. I can show you Boeing. Boeing has a double top right here, but it's trending nicely. And let's see if it fails right here below this trend. This is one of my candidates to go short because it has going up since 130 to the 183 just in a couple months. So if you break down this trend line, this could be a nice candidate for sure. But hey, don't get me wrong, this thing is bullish as hell. I'm just giving you a trend line that you can short the stuff if you break out this trend line. But it looks like it's gonna continue here and go. It looks like it's going to 200. So let's see what happens. Fibonacci 183 is this resistance now, but I think it's gonna keep going. So keep an eye on that trend line. Baidu report didn't do anything to the stock. It went down from 185, 186. It's now at support Fibonacci 176. It's just holding there. I think it's gonna keep moving sideways here until it break out to the 200s. I think Baidu is bullish, but it just needs a little bit more time. Caterpillar, same pattern. Breakout, moving sideways. This one is moving slowly to the downside, but it's bullish, and I think as soon as the market break out that little range, boom, it's gonna go to the top of the major multi-year channel, Fibonacci 110 target. DMI is bullish and strong also. Deck, this one could be a nice trade. You break out this major resistance. You see this multi-year resistance, and it's just holding there. So this could be a nice trade. And after the breakout, it's just moving sideways. So this could be a nice trade. Target 70. 70 is the target. So it's just playing around 60, but 63 could be the next target. Then my major target is 70. Deck is bullish. You can see here also the same thing. Breakout. This is a Direction Shares Trust Financial Bull per 3. So this is a very bullish chart. It break out right here, but it's moving sideways. The same thing at the spider and the Dow Jones. Facebook. Okay, I talk about this one a lot. I made my trade right here. I entered at the 20 simple moving average. I sold my calls at the top of this multi-year channel, and that was a great trade. And I said, if you are loaning here at the top of the channel, you're crazy. It's better to wait for another dip to enter loan, especially if you're trading auctions. Facebook long term is bullish, but look at what happens after hours. Let me show you. Let me show you what happened after hours. It break down. It failed at the top, which it was high probability. It failed. It failed right there. It moved down to 145 and then bounced a little bit and then down is moving to 148. So I think based on this chart, we have to wait for a nice dip, so we can enter long. A nice dip will be 145. Is there the support now resistance? Now support because it bounced right there at this Fibonacci 145. So that's the key number. But I think I would like to buy at the 20 simple moving average, which is 144.47, or if you want to be a little bit patient and buy at 131. But DMI is bullish, so it's going to take time to go down. Now let's talk about First Solar. First Solar had a great day today. It went up 11%. And you can see here it break out this major trend resistance. So it break out here, and I think now is really bullish. This stock was up more than 70 just a year ago, and it went down more than 50% and finally break out here. I think it's gonna start moving to the 38 and 45 soon. So keep an eye on this one. I would like to see a test of this major resistance now support. You know, a little test right here and go. So that's what I'm gonna be looking for. So now let's talk about the last one, which is Wind Resource. I have a position on this one. The same theme, breakout, moving sideways. As soon as the market breakout, what's gonna happen? Bam! 137 target. This is bullish. Okay, traders, this is everything for today. Trade on.